Hi, I thought I'd take you inside my little pottery studio so that you can have a wee insight into the type of studio you could build at home. Mine's built in an old shipping container and it works great for me to come out and get back into my creativity. My little projects that I'm working on, it's a cool little butter conditioner that I've made for a friend. I thought I'd better make myself one because butter conditioners are very handy and I like to have butter, which is quite cool. And these are going to be for my raku, my next firing. I thought these cool candle holders for the outside garden, which will be really cool for my raku. So I've put my tools in little containers up here on the wall, as well as down the bottom. And this is my spinning spinner, which is good for painting and carving. This is my workbench, which has got the canvas over the top, and it's a great space to work. Up here is all of my glazes, which is quite a lot up there, down to my rolling pins, including my gorgeous textured rolling pins, which I love. These are from Algis Crafts, absolutely beautiful and great quality. This one here, I use this a lot, and that cute wee one here. I've got my vintage shaver, which is very handy. Down here is a whole lot of little molds and cutters that I can use. Cookie cutters for my circles, my flower stamps and cutters, and then some plastic molds. So these are some underglazes, and I've also made some little tiles with the underglazes on and the code so that I know what sort of colours and what one I'm dealing with. These are just plastic doilies which make beautiful textures for some of your pottery. Then I have got all of my templates that I have cut out. So for instance, my butter dish, this is my last one that I've just made, which I cut out. And this is my butter dish template. So the templates work great because then you can repeat your projects and they'll be relatively the same size. Down here we've got some nice big slab molds so that I can pop either a slump mold or over the top. And up here is my letters, so I've got lots of little stamps which I love to use, and then polystyrene shapes. So these are great for draping or pushing into the clay to get some of the shapes. Then we've got an extruder here for different handles and beads, and my old retro potter's wheel that I've made. This is my beautiful seahorse, which I love. My seahorse, and I also have my seashells. So I've made these molds out of original seashells. So here I've got my little Effie kiln, which is a perfect little kiln for the size that I want to work with. I don't want to try and fill a big kiln because pottery is just a creative outlet for me that I just love doing. Then we've got all the pottery tool, the kiln furniture and the spare little biscuits. And then down here I've got some jewellery things. Down here we're going into the clays. Storage is under this cabinet and my spare bats. And then over here is my raku kiln. Go outside. This is my beautiful view.